Hello students, in this series of plant physiology, now we are going to see about various components of water potential. This will help you to understand. This will be the basic and this will help you to understand how the transportation of water occur inside plants. The root is here inside the soil. Plants absorb water and will spread to every part of the plant. How this will occur we can see. How phloem translocation occurs. Leaves somewhere the food is manufactured, transported to every other part of the plant. How this translocation occurs. For understanding this, water potential, pressure potential, gravitational potential, matrix potential, understanding these basic terminologies are very important to understand the mechanism by which the plant uses to do all these functions. First, about the components. What are the four essential components? Four essential components. Four component potential. Sigma G, this is called as gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. Okay. Next, sigma P, pressure potential. Sigma P is called as pressure potential. Sigma M, mattress potential. Sigma M is called as mattress potential. Sigma S is called as pressure potential. It is also called as pressure potential. Sorry, sigma P is called as, I am very sorry. Sigma P is called as pressure potential. Sigma S is called as osmotic potential. It can be otherwise called as solute potential. Very sorry. Sigma P is called as pressure potential. Sigma P is called as pressure potential. Sigma S is called as osmotic potential or solute potential. Okay. We will see about each thing. What is osmotic or sigma is water potential is equal to solute potential plus pressure potential plus gravitational potential plus mattress potential. To understand, to arrive at water potential, we should know the potential of all these things. Solute potential, pressure potential, gravitational potential and mattress potential. First thing about osmotic potential. It is called as solute potential. We said it, we have already saw this. This is also called as solute potential. Pure water. It is clean water. There is very pure water at atmospheric pressure. Osmotic pressure is equal to 0. Pure water has no solutes. So its osmotic potential is highly 0. Consider a beaker of pure water. Let us add some solutes into it. What will happen to its free energy? Addition of solutes reduces free energy. So adding of solutes reduces water potential. So this potential and all these concepts will depend on concentration of solutes. It will depend on concentration of solute, not depend on nature, whether it is organic, inorganic or whatever. It will depend on concentration of solute and it is independent of nature of solute. Okay, hope this thing is clear. Let me revise it again. Osmotic potential. In case of this osmotic potential of pure water, osmotic potential of pure water is 0 when we add solutes to it. Free energy of the addition of solutes reduces free energy of the solvent already present inside the beaker. Free energy reduces. In this case of osmotic potential, it is depend on the concentration at how much the solution inside the beaker is concentrated, whether it has only one solute or whether it has too many solute. It depends on concentration. It is independent of nature. Basic things. These are the basic things. Okay. Now about pressure potential. Is the effect of hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure. The pressure inside the beaker is greater than the atmospheric pressure. Then water potential will increase. Okay. Pressure inside an isolated system is higher than the atmospheric pressure, then water potential will increase. This is the idea. This is the idea of pressure potential. Consider some systems, some plants, some isolated system. Pressure increases, pressure inside it is very high when compared to the rest of the environment. Then water potential will also increase. Okay. What if the pressure experienced by the system is positive, then water potential will also be positive. When the pressure is negative, water potential will also be negative. So tell me about, pause this video and think about what about the pressure in pure water. Pure water will not be having any solute. What about the pressure inside a pure water? Absolutely, it is obvious that it is 0. Because pure water will have any solute? No, it is very pure in nature, so it has no solute. The pressure experience inside the pure water is 0. Let me revise once again. What is pressure potential? Consider a system, isolated system. Compare it with rest of the environment. Some cell, okay? Pressure inside it is very high when compared to atmospheric pressure outside the environment. It's low. What happened to water potential is also high. That's what we say. If this pressure is positive, water potential is positive. If this is negative, this is also negative. Pure water, no solute. How it will experience some kind of pressure? 0. Okay. Gravitational potential. Depends upon position of water to the gravitational field. So plant, consider a plant is soil, root, plant, some plant or a tree. Tree or a plant will grow on the soil from the sea level. Consider this as a sea level. So its height plays an important role. This gravitational potential depends on the height. Let's see, height is equal to 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter has a role. Rise, consider another plant with the height of 10 centimeter. This system will have, because the height is very high, this system will have high water potential when compared to this system. System will have high water potential when compared to this system because it has very low height when compared to this. Okay. At cellular level, gravitational potential is negligible when compared to pressure potential and solute potential, so it is generally omitted. This gravitational potential is studied only in case of the whole plant. When consider a height in 1 centimeter and 10 centimeter, this is studied in plant as a system as overall level. And it is not studied in case of cellular level. It is very negligible. So it is not being taken into account. Okay. Next, about mattress potential. Consider this. We have solvent. It depends on adsorptive forces. So what is adsorption? Mattress potential will depend on adsorptive forces. What is adsorption? We have no terminology here, that is adsorption. Adsorption. Consider a wall. Okay. Consider this as a wall. We can paint a wall with this blue color. Consider this as a white wall. We are painting a wall with this blue color. Okay. We have painted this wall with blue color. This means that this blue color is being adsorbed on the wall. Okay. This blue color is sticked to the wall, means the blue color is being adsorbed on the surface of the wall. This is the meaning of the term adsorption. Okay. This process has a role to play with regard to mattress potential. Here we will see what kind of adsorption takes place and where this adsorption takes place. Adsorptive forces that bind to dry mattress. Adsorptive forces that bind to dry mattress. This is the mattress. Mattress in the sense it can be nothing but a beaker full of water. To dry mattress. Okay. Consider this surface, this system as a dry mattress, and somehow something will come in case anything needs to attach on it. It experiences a force between the attachment of the surface and the solute, whatever, of that material. That force is called as adsorption. Consider here with the dry mattress. In case of living system, we will see what will happen in case of a living system. Mattress potential is very limited to living cell at cellular level, and value of gravitation potential is very negligible. It's very much limited. So we can see this in the physical environment. This gravitational potential, mattress potential, we can see this in a physical environment. We can see, take an example, we can make a dry mattress, we can make some solute molecule, will go and attach to this dry mattress. We can measure this adsorptive forces, we can do it for an environment, and it is very negligible. This mattress potential and gravitational potential are very negligible when in case of a cellular study, especially in case of plants. So we can neglect these two things. Overall formula, after reading all these terminologies, we are going to get is water potential is equal to solute potential plus pressure potential. This is the overall formula. Sigma is water potential, sigma S is solute potential, sigma P is pressure potential. So we have seen all this. What is solute potential? That is osmotic potential, pressure potential and water potential. This water potential is very important with regard to the movement of water inside the xylem, how the root absorbs water from the plant. This water potential plays a very important role in understanding that. Hope this video clearly clarified all these content regarding the basic terminologies of this osmotic potential, that is osmotic potential, pressure potential, gravitational potential, mattress potential, and why these two things are not taken into account. What is the overall formula by using the sigma S and sigma P? We will be asked to do problem sums when it comes to CSIR examination. So please remember and please take a screenshot of this. This will be very helpful in solving problem regarding water potential. Thank you. Hope this video is very helpful for people who appear for CSIR and GATE Life Sciences examination. Thank you. Have a good day.